Hey, my cookies. I think the good folks over at the Cajun Crate like us a little bit because they sent over another subscription box for us to unbox together. And they know we're a package deal, so they agreed to do a giveaway so that one of you can win your own Cajun Crate. All right, let's open this bad boy up and see what's going on. Of course, once you open the box, you'll see their handy dandy product guide that details each product that's featured in the box. On the back of the guide, the Cajun Crate has provided 2 recipes that feature 2 of the products included in this month's box. Now let's get to the good stuff. First up, we have the Cajun Spicy Pastalaya Mix. Pastalaya is basically jambalaya, but without rice, they use pasta instead, and this mix looks super easy to prepare. Next, we have some good old Tabasco buffalo style hot sauce. This is made with just 5 simple ingredients, and it's perfect for some wings, put on some burgers, or even macaroni and cheese. Gotta love a good buffalo sauce. While we're on sauces, here we have Creative Cajun Cooking's Cajun Barbecue Wing Sauce. Some more wing sauce, and I'm not really a spicy buffalo type of girl, so this barbecue sauce will definitely be used very soon in my kitchen. Everybody knows I collect Louisiana spice blends, so this Cajun Bait Smoked Jalapeno Blend Seasoning Mix is going on the shelf. Can't wait to try it. Yo, look at this. I was so excited to see this joint. You mean to tell me we have a Louisiana-based Sloppy Joe mix? Man, what you get out of here? Cajun Power has the Sloppy Joe Boudreaux Sloppy Joe mix. How many times am I going to say Sloppy Joe? But I'm going to try this. I'm so excited. Y'all, this one took me back. I love me some pickled okra, and this Cajun Chef brand is so doggone good. Their pickles are amazing as well. So yeah, I definitely opened that jar when I finished filming this. Next, we have some jerky. Now, this is actually pork jerky and not beef jerky, and it's by Cousin Smokehouse. I like saying it that way, but it's their cane fire jerky. Looks good. Okay, cookies, last but not least, by the Truly Southern Crescent City brand, these pretzel crunch goodness. Listen, it says they're sweet, salty, and sinful, and they are not lying. I'm too ashamed because the bag is half empty because I tore these things up. I could not stop. I was like, I gotta leave just like 2 or 3 to show the cookies what it's talking about. But look, these things are so good. So good. Special thanks to my friends at the Cajun Crate. Cookies, be sure to look in the description box. I'll have all the giveaway rules and details down there. And be sure to check out the Cajun Crate. Enter this giveaway because this is some good stuff in this box. I love you so much, cookies. Until next time, be blessed.